What's up, you guys? You are back with your girl iRock, and today is Vlogmas Day 10. We have baby girl here. What's today?
What's today is 10.
Vlogmas Day 10. Today is Vlogmas Day 10. So today we are decorating the Christmas tree, and the girls are decorating their stockings. So if you are interested in seeing us do that, go ahead and stay tuned. So I have been given the honor to decorate the tree this year. This is my first time decorating the tree, so I am super excited. I did not buy the items to go on the tree. My mom's girlfriend bought the items, and I don't even know what she bought. So let's check out what she got so I can see what I'm working with. Okay, so we love this household loves Dollar General. Literally, we go there so often, and I see she went to Dollar Tree. So you want to help me take some things out, baby?
Yeah.
Baby girl is eating blueberries. So we have ornaments here. We have the, what is this? We'll call this shimmery.
What is this?
Red, and we have silver. They're shatterproof, which is amazing because let me tell you, last year was a mess because a lot of them broke. And we have these pretty cute small ones.
Ooh.
They're really nice blue. So I'm guessing we're doing blue, silver. Oh, is this dark blue? That one's dark blue. We're doing blue, silver, and red. And this is our star that goes on the top of the tree. You want to help me take the stuff out the bag, baby?
Yeah.
Okay, so help me take the stuff out the bag. So this is going to go at the top of the tree, I see. And
Oh, these are cute.
so we're going to wrap these around the tree. 2 of those. What else do we have? I have my big helper right here. Okay.
Oh, mommy, there are green ones.
Ooh.
And yellow ones.
Ooh, so we have some green now or later candy canes.
And yellow.
And we have some lemon head.
Ooh,
I'm so excited. Like literally all of these are going to be gone before Christmas. Ooh, that's pretty.
Ooh, there's another one.
So we're going to wrap these 2 around the tree as well.
And this for wash your body.
Hey, that's not supposed to go on a tree.
Yeah, that's just crazy.
So we have another bag here.
I have something else here.
What?
Woo!
Oh, these are really cute. These little snowmans. So they're going to go on the tree. So we have another bag right here, baby, if you want to show them.
Wow.
Be my helper.
Yeah. Ooh, these are cute.
Okay, so we have the regular peppermint. I love the regular peppermint candy canes. Ooh, and we have the cherry kind. I love the cherry kind. I love all type of candy canes.
We got them.
So we got 2 regular, cherry, 2 cherry.
And now that's
Now later, lemon. I'm sure we're gonna have to like restock the candy canes on the tree because literally they're going to be gone. Like, thumbs up and comment down below if it's the same way in your household where all the candy canes are gone and you guys have to totally replace them before Christmas Day. So check this out. This is my little table decor. I was like, oh, let's do this. This is a little cute little something something. And I totally got myself these flowers. They are like super amazing. And they're doing really, really well. Sometimes you gotta treat yourself. Like, you can't be relying on anyone else to make you feel special. You have to just make yourself feel special. So that's what I did. I bought myself flowers to make myself feel special. So let me go ahead and show you the girls' stockings and what we have for them to decorate it with and what they're gonna fill it up with. So let's go.
Oh, come on.
Okay, we'll follow you. Follow you, baby girl.
These are the things that we supposed to do.
Stocking, you're supposed to stuff them.
We put the stocking.
Yes, we're gonna stuff these stockings here. We also have lights that she got. And so we have 3 stockings for them. And they're gonna use the glitter glue to decorate them. And we're gonna let that sit and it's going to dry. And I'll show you guys at the very end their stockings. So stay tuned until the very end. They're gonna have marshmallow clothes in there. They each have candy canes. I'm not sure what we have for. I'm guessing one is for me. Yay! And we have popcorn ball.
Ooh, popcorn.
They will have their chocolate. And we're going to put more candy canes because we know they like to eat their candy canes up. We're going to put more candy canes in there. So yeah. That is what we will be working with. I'll say but I have the 3 little munchkins that's going to be here too. So that's what we're going to be working with. So I'm going to show you guys how I decorate the tree. Stay to the very end so you can see the decorated tree, and also so you can see each of their stockings. The 2 girls are not out of school yet, so once they get out of school, we'll go ahead and get this party started. So the kids are ready. They have their stockings, they have their glitter glue, and they're going to style their stockings. So I will show you guys at the very end what their stocking looks like. As for me, I am, can you guys see me?
Yeah.
Let me go here. With the ring light. Oh, you guys see me better here. But I'll still put the ring light on. There we go. So I'm going to go ahead and decorate this lovely tree. Literally, we've been having this tree for probably like 25 to 30 years. My sister is in her 30s, my oldest sister. And we've been having the same tree for that many years. And it's a fake Christmas tree. Our house, everyone in our house basically has like allergies. So we cannot get a real Christmas tree. So we've been using this, we've been recycling this fake one for like ages, and it's still good. So yeah, that's what we've been doing. So yeah, I couldn't handle it. Like I like the smell as far as like going in the store or whatever, you smell it when you're walking past, so all the Christmas trees are outside. But as far as like dealing with that smell for 25 days, like literally this house would be in an uproar. So yeah, we cannot do real trees. So I'm going to be decorating this tree, so I'm going to go ahead and put the camera down and you guys can just check out how I'm going to decorate the tree. I'm going to first start with the garlands. I'll start with the garlands first since they're going to be wrapped around, and then I will go ahead and put probably the ornaments on. So stay tuned. Okay, so start at the top. This is gonna be more work than I thought it was gonna be. As you can see, like, I am struggling. I'm like, can I like take back my volunteer for this job? Because boy, this was not in the job description. I just didn't know how difficult the task was gonna be. This is why some people hire like Christmas tree decorators. I've seen so many vlogs that had when people had like someone come to decorate their tree. I'm like spoiled. I wish I could be like, oh yeah, I'm gonna go run errands, or I'm gonna be wherever, take care of the tree, decorate it however you like, or give them an idea of like what you want. That'd have been like freaking amazing. But when you ain't got it like that, you gotta do it yourself. Like imagine having a tree that's like 8 foot tall or I don't know, maybe this is 8 foot. But you know how those people have their trees that are super all the way to the ceiling? Like, that's probably why they get a decorator, because literally it would take forever to decorate that huge tree. And this tree is not even that tall, and it's taking me a while. Maybe that's why they asked me to do it, huh? Mm-hmm. Maybe that's why they got me to do it. Because they knew how much work it took.
2,000 years later.
2 garlands down. 2 more to go. So these ones should be a lot easier because they're a lot shorter. So yeah.
There.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, take Nicholas, he took a flight, the moon was shining bright. So, tip for Christmas tree decorating, this is from a newbie. Really worry about the front where people can see, because I mean, most people can't even see the back. So, that's why I'm decorating the front first. So I want that one to look as much luscious and beautified as possible. My makeup looks so cute today. Literally, I don't know if you guys know, but I have eczema, and sometimes certain things trigger my skin. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but like on this side, my skin is still peeling. So my skin has basically been peeling for like for all of December. So yeah, it's finally clearing up, and I'm so excited. We'll have the Christmas carolers start now.
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you.
5 hours later. Okay, we are moving on to the candy canes. So I'm going to quickly place these in different places on the tree. That literally took me forever and a day to put all the ornaments on the tree. I see why people hired interior decorators. I don't know if it's called interior decorating or Christmas decorators or whatever, because it's really time consuming to put all the stuff on here. You gotta keep an eye to where it's like it's open. You don't want 2 ornaments too close to each other or the same color. So yeah, this right here is a lot of brain work. Now we're gonna start with the Nowalators, and these are gonna be so good. I might have to even take one like before Christmas. This is literally about like an hour already, like working on the tree, like lemon heads. I'm gonna speed like majority of this up, so don't even like trip. Because if I didn't speed this up, literally this would be like an hour video. So there you have it. I have decorated the tree. I give myself 9.5 out of 10. You know what I'm saying? What's that? 9.5. If you guys are interested in looking for some tree decorators, go ahead and email me, because your girl think I know what I'm doing. Think I know what I'm doing. I get a good price too. So I miss you, Merry Christmas. I miss you, Merry from the bottom. Are you guys ready? Ta-da! So first we have Paris' stocking. Now we have TT's. And now we have Kaya's. So perfect. So they are going to let their...
I'm not even done.
Okay, you continue to work on it.
Okay.
They are going to let their stockings dry overnight, and then they will fill it up with the items that we got today. And that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog. So you guys want to get in on the outro?
Put a big thumbs up and give us 100,000 likes.
Oh my gosh, y'all with the
Please,
numbers, yes.
please.
So, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And that was day 5. That was day 10. I keep saying day 5. That was day 10 of Vlogmas, and that was it. Hope you guys enjoyed.
Bye.